Zanu PF Mashonaland East declares Mnangagwa to stay in office beyond 2028. The 1st of September 2025. By a correspondent, MARONDERA. Zanu PF leaders in Mashonaland East have unanimously endorsed President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in power beyond 2028, insisting that his leadership is vital to the realization of Zimbabwe's Vision 2030 agenda. Despite constitutional term limits, the declaration was made during a Provincial Coordinating Committee, PCC, meeting in Marandara, where all districts rallied behind Mnangagwa's continued stay in office. Delivering the resolution, the province's Secretary for Legal Affairs, Pension Chiatsi, said the endorsement reflected the overwhelming will of party structures. All structures in the province were clear in their submissions. The first resolution for 2025 states, His Excellency, President and First Secretary of Zanu PF, CDE Dr. Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, must continue leading both the party and government until Vision 2030 has been fully realized. Chiatsi said to thunderous applause. Provincial Chairman Daniel Garwi further praised Mnangagwa's resilience, citing his handling of crises such as Cyclone Idai, the COVID-19 pandemic, and ongoing droughts. Whether it was natural disasters or economic shocks, the president ensured people were not abandoned. He has shown resilience, foresight, and unity of purpose, Garwi said. He added that the party believes Vision 2030 cannot be achieved without Mnangagwa's continued leadership. This is why we insist that Vision 2030 cannot be derailed. The president must remain in office until this national goal is achieved, he declared, calling for unity and discipline within Zanu PF ranks. Garwi concluded, Our duty is to stand firmly behind the president and the party. Loyalty is the foundation of our success.